guys, today we're at Flamingo Garden.
I cannot wait to see what's around here.
Come on, let's go! Ah, that's a big iguana. I can still see him. Come on, look at the flamingos. She got poop? Ew! She got poop on her hand. We're going to have to go to the sink, Alessi.
I want to go at the sink to wash myself.
Come on, let's go. To wash your hands.
I don't like it that
You don't like it? Come on, let's go this way. Hi, birdies.
My name is Carol, and I'm going to be your driver.
way. I wish I didn't touch poop.
So we're going to come out. So we will be making our stop for the butterfly conservatory.
Because you wish you didn't touch poop. We're starting.
So Flamingo Gardens, we were a wildlife sanctuary, correct?
Yeah, I'm not worried. Because last time I went here, I didn't fall down. It was my first time. But this is my second time.
Some will see they're roaming around. They like it here so much.
It looks like glowing in the dark stuff in the water. That's a mommy, a female. Oh yeah, banana plants. Oh look, banana, but they're purple. Look, there's a lake.
There's a lake where crocodile.
Oh, wait. What is that duck standing on? A rock?
Oh, this is a stop for the butterfly conservatory. Who wants to go see butterflies? Anybody? It's a 4-minute stop. You get to go through the cactus garden. And
Me.
It's gonna rain, so chop. All right, I see raindrops.
Come on, let's go.
Quickly?